At PDK, we believe that we are better together with integration partners. That's why we partner with Resideo for intrusion detection and automation. Let's take a quick look at how the integration works and how it can add value to your PDK installation. Resideo is a platform that offers top-of-the-line security solutions to provide a cohesive intrusion detection and alarm platform. The Resideo Total Connect integration allows users to disarm alarm panels through PDK with a physical or digital credential and syncs select people created in PDK.io to the Total Connect 2.0 user database. To perform this integration, open the Resideo integration in the Integrations tab of PDK.io and enable it. Then log into your Total Connect account, where you will be prompted to select the panel that will be connected. Simply map the appropriate Resideo location, Resideo partition, PDK partition, and disarming devices. Optionally, you can sync pins to your Resideo user codes. Once finished, simply return to PDK.io and your integration will be completed. Moving forward, you can use the designated disarming device to disarm your Resideo alarm panel. Additionally, you will have new custom fields in every PDK.io user's profile that allow you to sync user types and authority levels directly to Resideo Total Connect. Pretty easy, right? With a simplified integration and user experience, this alarm integration is an easy way to elevate a range of applications to be more secure and automated. Reach out to your PDK sales representative today to learn more.